The crew at Soaring Eagle Truck Campers invited us out for a tour of the factory to see how their brand new all-aluminum frame truck campers are making big waves as some of the lightest weight and toughest truck campers on the planet. We were greeted by Scott Bradshaw and Troy Andrews. Troy, we found out, is a small-town celebrity that had all the locals stopping at our table during our lunch together. They really gave me, Lukey Poo, Levi, and Greg the old Wakarusa welcome. While most entry-level truck campers are made with a wood structure that is stapled together, the truth is, there's a better way. Soaring Eagle Campers builds rugged campers using tubular aluminum construction, which is welded together for maximum strength and durability. The team showed us firsthand the quality materials and strict production standards they have in place. Having been in RV factories before, we've seen a thing or two, and all three of us were impressed with not only the quality of materials, but the tight-knit crew that Soaring Eagle have assembled in their factory.
Yeah, you like that? Go shake hands.
Scott and Troy took us through the entire construction process from bare aluminum frame to the assembly of the full shell, including insulation and fiberglass exterior. With the aluminum frame being the bones that make these Soaring Eagles fly, starting with a quality welded frame is important, and these frames earned our lead tech and RV brother-in-law Greg's seal of approval. The details matter, and Soaring Eagle's innovative ratchet strap mounting system makes taking the camper in and out of your truck bed a breeze, and also saves you money on a costly mounting system that's required for heavier wood-constructed truck campers. With 3 styles to currently choose from, the Adlar XL is a Soaring Eagle from the same vein of the familiar truck camper layout with a cab-over bunk, dinette, storage, and microwave. The cab-over decking, wallboard, and dinette are made from composite materials to reduce weight and increase water resistance. There's even a convenient storage spot for a portable toilet. The OVX is a Soaring Eagle designed for minimalist packers and maximalist adventure seekers, with fitment options for smaller trucks like Toyota Tacoma and Jeep Gladiator coming soon. The OVX sits on your truck's bed rails like a traditional truck cap and features a top that raises to reveal a large bed that can slide out for even more sleeping room. Troy showed us how simple it is to raise and lower the top thanks to Soaring Eagle's very own innovative design. Scott showed us some ideas in the works for exterior mounting systems and pointed out the OVX's unique and smooth aluminum exterior skin. The standard size Adlar is a trimmed down version of the Adlar XL with a smaller cab over extension for storage and a dinette that transforms into a bed. What makes Soaring Eagle different? It turns out there's a lot. With a purposefully different approach, Soaring Eagle's pioneer Scott Tuttle and the rest of the team take the experience gained from many years in the RV industry, most notably starting the legendary brand Live and Light, and combine it with a modern and minimalist approach using high-quality materials and a small but mighty workforce. Being small but mighty ourselves, we know all about punching above our weight class. In fact, that's one of the things that drew us to Soaring Eagle in the first place. We toured through many RV manufacturers last fall at the Elkhart shows, and one stood out. It was down the street and away from all the others, but we met directly with the ownership team and knew right away this was something special. People said we'd never make it this far in a small town like Sherwood, Ohio, but in the words of Alan Jackson, it's all right to be little bitty.